voice that sends you through a whirlwind of emotions, sets your heart racing, your feet tapping. A versatile, vivacious voice with a soul and a heart. A voice that remains a heartthrob of every generation to date. Asha Bhosle. Born in the legendary singing family of the Mangeshkars, with father Master Dinanath Mangeshkar, an institution in himself, and legends Lata Mangeshkar, Usha, Meena, and Pandit Hridayanath Mangeshkar as siblings. It was but natural for Asha to be born with a superlatively beautiful singing voice. She started her musical career in the late 1940s with assorted songs in Hindi and Marathi films. She established herself as singer non-compare with Parinita. Then there was no looking back. With a commendable vocal virtuosity, Asha's songs skipped from genre to genre, never framing her as a typecast, doing equal credit to all the compositions.
पर्दे में रहने दो, पर्दा ना उठाओ, झुमका गिटारे बरेली के बाजार में.
Her duets with Rafi, Kishore and Lata are as immortal as her solos.
मंजिल की तू ही और तू ही आस का तारा, आँखों में जाती
तू पहला बादल.
हम तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में.
Asha rendered some of her most melodious and memorable songs for top-of-the-list music composers like S.D. Burman, O.P. Nayyar, Khayyam, Ravi and R.D. Burman.
अकेली है बुझ गए दिए, रुक ना पाऊं मैं, रुकती आऊं मैं, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू. उड़े जब जब जुल्फें तेरी, कवारियों का दिल मचले, एक मैं और एक तू.
R.D. Burman and Asha Bhosle formed a formidable musical pair.
और जो तन मन में हो रहा है,
पिया तू अब तो आजा, दम मारो दम. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, मुझको आवाज दो, चुप गए वो सनम. आँखों में यादों का दिल हो जाता है श्री.
With over 1,000 songs to her credit, she has sung in almost all Indian languages.
আমার দিন কাটে না, আমার রাত কাটে না, আড়িয়ে দেব দেবম দদ.
On one hand, when she had titans in Hindi composing for her, she had musical giants like Sudhir Phadke, Vasant Pawar and Pandit Hridayanath Mangeshkar composing for her in Marathi.
बुगड माझी सांडली गो, जाता साताऱ्याला गो, जाता साताऱ्याला.
One of Asha's major contributions to music has been children's songs. The entire 1970 to 1980s, witness the sizzling magic of Asha Bhosle.
मेरा दिल यार का दीवाना, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी, इस अंजुमन में आपको आना है बार बार, जवानी जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा, मिले तो दिल जहां निसार हो गया, प्यार का तोहफा तेरा बना है जीवन मेरा, दिल के सहारे मैंने पाली, कतरा कतरा मिलती है, कतरा कतरा जीने दो जिंदगी है।
The 1990s saw Asha giving her voice to the younger generation of music composers with equal freshness.
किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होंगी तुमने, सपने में मिलता है वो मुंडा मेरा, सपने में मिलता है, इस टूटे दिल की पीड़ सही ना जा,
बाजने भी दीजिए न इधर आइए,
आइए आइए आइए, कांगणे शिल्पी तदाशी तालता तुम चंचले उड़ावे मंदिर,
Her non-film numbers are an equal rave with every generation of music lovers.
दीवाने हो दीवाने,
Asha Bhosle is amongst the first Indian singers to collaborate with foreign bands and singers.
परित्राणाय साधुना, कालेन मिन्वो हदगी मका,
Winner of numerous national and international awards, including the Dada Saheb Phalke and a place in the Guinness Book of Records for the highest number of songs. This soft-spoken sari-clad goddess remains humble to the core. Asha Bhosle will always hold her reign supreme over the hearts of every generation and make them fall in love with music over and over again. This is Asha Bhosle, the eternal songstress. The 10th Pune International Film Festival salutes this sparkling legend.